Hey you all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. So today we are creating this beautiful makeup look. First I'm using K by Katrina's primer drops. Now I'm adding some MAC compact powder to my face, which is in the shade NC20. Now I'm using this Too Faced Cloud Blush, which is beautiful and looks great on my skin. This is in a beautiful pink shade called Watermelon Dream. Actually, my medium Indian skin. Now I'm using Colourpop's eyeshadow palette. I'm just defining my crease line using the brown and red tone to give it a very synced look with my red lip. This is the Yes Please palette from Colourpop. Now I'm using this golden shimmer shade to highlight the inner corner, to highlight my high points of the face. You can see I think this has turned out pretty well and I'm really liking the look. My nose is literally shining. I'm using the Super Fan mascara by Smashbox, covering it up with the same brown Wet n Wild brow pencil which I use as a lip color every time. Now I am using this Maybelline red hot lipstick. Trust me, you guys. This is my favorite red ever. And I think that just completes the look. It's in the shade Pioneer. It stays for very long. I literally tried and tested it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you very soon with more such informative videos and of course makeup and beauty content. Look at how glowing my face looks with these little products, and this look you can carry literally anywhere, day in, day out. I'm wearing it in broad daylight and I think it just looks so good. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you very soon with more such tutorials. Bye bye. Love you.